Hello everyone. Today I've been studying about post-colonial literature. There is a part or there is a topic on gender. So here what I found that a writer from South Latin America or not Latin America exactly, the in between North America or South America. So that writer named Chari Moraga in her a futuristic play, The Hungry Woman 2001. She suggests that in fact really nothing has changed because she depicts through a dialogue between two characters. Mama Sal, we were content for a while. Savannah responses sort of until the revolutionary told the women, put down your guns and pick up your babies and into the kitchen. So, so here is after achieving or gaining political independence or sort of liberation, women are forced or means ordered to go into the kitchen or their feminine duties must be resumed. Yeah, it happens. In fact, it is the reality. But here, what I think or a question struck me, that is, there are majorly two genders, because the third gender I am not including it in the major category, because third gender also categorized into male or female. So basically there are two genders. Yeah, they have some basic or means bodily functions, separate function, particularly in the sense of giving birth to babies. It is only or means the duty of or bodily function of female body. So but they are adding or women are adding the issue of cooking or going into the kitchen also. So this issue I think is raised because women think it is of no value. Household chores or cooking and etc. is considered as inferior, futile. So there is a need to change the mentality towards it. Means they demand respect, or at least for the sake of equality and justice and humanity. Because no work is futile or polluted or something inferior, but it is the mentality. But when we move further after uh, thinking about equality, yeah, every man and women they think no work is different than other, or household works or cooking, so and so forth, is good, equal, not bad. But further, the human nature, or I would say the animalistic instincts, is not leaving humans away, because human beings cannot think without the desire to become master or ruler. So this desire makes man discriminator, because eventually man forgets everything about equality and respect and forces women that you are destined to reproduce and cooking and you must do so. So here, what do you think? I'm not finding the answer or not able to move beyond this question or the human nature, the desire to dominate the other. So friends, what do you think? Tell me. Thank you.